Hello, my precious people. Greetings to you all. Today again, I share with you how to make a large fish roll or a business fish roll. I know at the end of this video, it will be a brand new day for somebody. Let's get right into this video if this is what you are interested to see. So this is the mackerel I'm going to be using. I will go ahead and clean it. Take off the wanted things out from it. And to all my returning subscribers, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you. And you that is sharing my video, giving a comment of encouragement. I love you from the bottom of my heart. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Be a part of this humble family so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. And if you have not turned your notification bell, old and new, do so now. That is the only way you can be notified when we upload a new video. Thank you if you have done so. Next, I'll go ahead and add thyme to it. I will also add salt. I'll add the seasoning cube to it. You can also use a seasoning powder. I'll add curry. It gives it color. I'll add a dried pepper. Last but not the least, I'll add some water. I'll go ahead and stir it. The next thing, I'll go ahead and cook it for some minutes. At this point, it's fully ready. I'll take it up the water. I'll put it in a tray and allow it to cool down. The stock of the fish can be used for any cooking of your food. I'll go ahead and separate the bone from it. Make sure it's totally free from bones. So I need this oil to do the finishing part of it. 1 cooking spoon is sufficient. I will allow it to hot a little bit. I will add the onions and I will stir so that the flavor will release inside the oil. Once that is done, I will go ahead and add the mackerel. I am not going to be seasoning too much. I will only add a little bit of a seasoning powders to it because it's well seasoning from the beginning. I will allow it to steam for some minutes. Once it's ready like this, guys, I'll take it off. I'll transfer into a open tray. Can you see how it looks like? This is the first step when you are making your fish roll. So this is a second step. I'm using 10 kilo first. Guys, when you are about to do your snack, measuring scale is very important. I have the one of grams and kilos. For a perfect result, you need you need scale. I will go ahead and measure 2 kilo first. Once I am done, I will repeat it again and again. Can you see? You cannot really guess it. Sometimes you make snacks and the result comes as something else because it was not well measured. You are only not going to measure your flour, you are going to measure everything about the snacks. So this is a nutmeg. I'll go ahead and add salt. This is a royal baking powder. This is what makes it to rise. So this is how to level it. So I'll go ahead and add some sugar. So this is a mandarin with salt, written with Spanish. Last but not the least, I'll add this milk. This is a medium cup. I might not know the kind of cup you are going to be using. So while the second one is water. So when you are cracking your egg, make sure that you wash it before you add it to avoid a bad egg. Please help me to share this video. Wash your hand thoroughly before you start mixing. I'll use my pan to rub it until it's wet, mixed and combined. Once it's fully ready like this, I'll go ahead and add the liquid. I will start with the milk. I'll add everything at once. But when you are about to start with the water, don't add everything at once. If you are using milk throughout, don't add everything at once to avoid it too watering. If it's too watering, to correct it, you cannot really get a better result. Yes, I've tried it. When it's too watering, you want to add more flour, you want to correct it, guys, it's just hell. Make sure it's not too watering. Can you see I'm sanding it again? Add your water bit by bit. Once you see that the texture is perfectly okay, then you stop adding liquid. So I am done with the first 2 kilo. I'll cover it. I'll put it aside. I'll go ahead and measure other 2 kilo. I am working with 2 kilos. I find it easy mixing 2 kilos like this. Mixing 2 kilo is more easier for me to mix even 1 kilo or half kilo. Yes. But if I also add more than this, I will also find it difficult to mix. So I have taken 4 kilo out of that. I'm going to repeat the same measurement that you see me doing for the first one to this one off camera. So here is it. I will also go ahead and rub it off camera because you saw when I was doing the first one. Please, if you have not given this video a big thumbs up, why not encourage somebody? Do so now, and I appreciate you. Thank you for doing so. So this is the second one. I'll go ahead and measure other 2 kilo. So I am done with it. Here is it. Now I have 6 kilo. I will stop at this point. So I'm using sunflower oil. I'll go ahead and preheat my oil at this point. Please, when you are frying your fish roll or your egg roll, don't use olive oil. It's not really too nice for frying. Olive oil is not for frying. It can be for other kinds of making your food and etc., but not really for frying. There is a special oil for frying. Notice that, okay? So at this point, I'll go ahead and portion it. Hey, guys, when it comes to this, hey, they will come out equally. If you go to where they are selling, you think, let me take the down one. No, guys, whether you take the down or you take the up one, they are the same. So this one is 125 gram. If anyone comes more than that, I will remove it. So you can make it more smaller than this, but not bigger than this. If yours is bigger than this, it's not really fish roll you are making. You are making yam. You are trying to fry yam. Guys, this size, I think this size is a perfect size. Okay, so if you are making for a personal consumption, you can even make half of this. Yes. So once I am done, I will roll it out. So I'm going to hand wash it with water, all the edges like this. I will just go ahead and scoop in the mackerel. So this is how to seal it. Bring all the edges together. Then when you are rolling it, make sure it's tight. So once I am done, I will just flatten it here like this to make it a little bit more longer. I am done with that. So at this point, I can do 4 at a time, 6 at a time, and 8 at a time. Depends of your space. Depends of your surface, your kitchen space. If you have more space, you can do more. Okay, so that is why when I'm about to start, I will start the same time preheating my oil. So before the oil is hot, I will finish the one that I can take straight to the oil. So before the other one will get ready, I will do more. So I will be the one to be waiting for the one I put inside the oil to get ready. So are you getting it? So see, this is the one I have done so far. So this one is 2 kilo that I show you on that train. So this is how to test for the oil. Put a little and see the reaction. So at this point, I can see that the oil is perfectly okay. So don't overlap it. Follow instruction, especially if you want to use it for business. Instruction is the key. Yes, I think I've really explained all the necessary points that is needed. And if you have any question based on this fish roll, is a promise. Less than 6 hours of dropping your question or your message, I will reply you. So that in case if you are stuck, you are about to do yours and you are confused, so that I can easily answer you. And if it's necessary, if I see your questions, if I answer you, and if I see you it's necessary for you to talk with me, I can give you a number that you can use to reach me. I hope I have done great. So feel free, if you are using it for business this 2024, you must not fold your hand, especially if you are a mom at home. You are not doing anything, but you are just looking for what can I do. Guys, you can start from somewhere. You must not need a big amount of money before you start business. On this my channel, everything that I does most, they are for clients. You see, for the past 2 weeks, I have not really been able to upload a new video. I'm just really so busy. I'm a mom with kids. So, you see, when you want to do business, you on this channel, there is a lot you can do. Guys, this is a end result. I hope it's lovely. Please don't forget to like, comment. So this is how I do the packaging for my client. Depends on the client. So this one, they are for sale. Okay, so thank you if you watched to this point. Bye bye. I love you all.